Hey DJ, here's the master plan.
Here we go now, different flow now. Everywhere we go round, it's about to go down. So what you wanna do? Dance when we coming through till we out of breath like a marathon running do. Yeah, we keep a new line like a fresh fade with the fresh clothes, fresh kicks, cause I'm fresh paid. Coming with the fresh steps that we just made. Plus I'm coming with the rhymes started in a fresh braid.
It don't matter when, where, we got what you want. East Coast, make it jump. Down South, get it crunk. To the Midwest, shade it like it right there. Even in the West, we a force like a nightmare. Do you see this hot? Every time the beat drops, we the best this year, whether you believe or not. Ain't you crazy? Watch how we keep it hot. Turn your box up another notch to the speaker pop.
Hey DJ, here's the master plan. Play this song as loud as you can. Turn it up, make it up, put us in a trance. You feel the funk, so get on up, and now it's time to dance.
This is hip hop. We live how we wanna live, play how we wanna play, say what we wanna say, wear what we wanna wear, hair how we wanna hair, fitted cap with the backpack and a new pair. Where my girls at with the double H clothes, pink bandanas with the camouflage cargos. That's just how we roll. So if you didn't know, flow so sick, so quick like a minute ago. Look and listen now, this is how we getting down. New game, new players in position now. Popping new tags, H to the KZ. Wait till I'm 18, straight to Mercedes. Gotta do it big, say Katrina told ya. Like Beyonce, looking for a soldier. Packing shows like Alicia Keys when I'm older.